Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll show you how to fix the Google Play Store is not responding problem on your Android phone. You can see this is the problem. How to fix it? Okay, let's get started. First open your phone settings and scroll down. Now click on apps option. Click on search bar, search for Google Play service. Now tap on Google Play service and scroll down. Then tap on storage, tap on clear cache and tap on clear data. Delete. Okay, back. And again tap on search bar, search for Google Play Store. Now tap on Google Play Store. Again tap on storage, tap on clear cache and clear data. Delete. Okay, back. And now tap on permission option and first to last allow permission. First contacts allow back, location allow back, microphone allow back, nearby devices allow back, notifications turn on notifications, back, phone allow back, SMS allow back. Okay, back to home screen. Now restart your phone and reopen it again your phone. Okay, back to home screen. Open your phone and now check your internet or Wi-Fi connection. My Wi-Fi already connected. See, done. And now open Google Play Store and see. I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe and like, comment your problem here. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.